Hey, what's going on, dudes? Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today I'm gonna be joined with llama00/Jillian, and Scabbed is here for the intro. So yeah, Jillian is sucking on my face, and yeah, that's it. Thanks, Scabbed.
It's like slash, just like you might wanna cut that out. Just put a beep and just be like, no, not today.
What the? Is he on my head? Why can I not? Star! Episode 1 featuring Jillian.
That blue thing.
Ew, what was that? Okay,
Actually thought that I would have to commentate throughout this whole thing. Turns out you can just clip stuff.
What do you mean?
Just like you can edit, like I know you could clip things out of the video, but like you hardly ever do that. Why don't you ever do that? Why don't you ever play like a bunch of games and do that?
I mean, I could. I'm just kind of lazy.
This is why you have less subscribers.
Get the bed, Jillian!
I know, I'm over here now.
Thank you. Wait, gimme.
No, start.
I am hungry for your final kill.
I died.
I will tell you after the video.
You know you can just clip it out, right?
I'm too lazy!
Do you want bad quality video in a short video, or do you want a good quality video which gives you more likes and it's not as short and it takes more time?
Nah.
Attacking. The dude I just died from has reach.
I will be the judge of that. Yeah, no he doesn't.
What are you talking? Yes, he does.
Then how did I just flawless him?
I don't know.
Better, the derp song or the troll song?
Oh, song.
How dare you? The derp song is the national anthem of all derps.
Well, people.
Oh, say what? Oh, say, can we see? Can you see? I don't know. Forget that. Derp, derpity, derp, derp, derp. Derp derpity derp
That's
derp
not a
derp
song.
derp 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 derp
Oh
derp
my
derp derpity
God,
derp
amazing and beautiful.
derp 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 derp.
It's irrelevant to me right now.
What?
You know what you're singing is irrelevant to me right now because I have sour candies. What?
You have been banished. I banish thee. I banish thee for showing no love to thy derps. You do know that eventually all derps will rule the world.
Bro, what's better, sour candies or people?
Sour candies.
Exactly.
I would much rather have a Sour Patch Kid than you.
Exactly, okay? You cannot blame me. I'm not even gonna doubt your decision.
Yes, I got a final kill! Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Fuck. You there? Right.
What the hell? Where are they?
Are you at our base?
Yeah, and I don't see anybody.
That's not totally weird and creepy.
Oh, hi, Green. Goodbye, green. Oh, are you kidding me? What is that target?
I just got gray. Gray sucks.
I'm running. Stop following me!
Where are you?
My goal is to literally run across the whole map to get to green again and break their bed. They didn't bring blocks.
Right.
Shoot. Oh, nice diamond sword, idiot. I guess I had to fight this guy at one point. Now leave me alone! Jeez. I know that I am a very beautiful creature, but that does not mean you get to chase me around the whole frickin' map! Green is pretty bad. Jillian. Boop. Crap.
You ruined that for me.
How?
I died because of the fireball.
I don't know how that works. You don't take damage from my fireball.
Bed's open, by the way, on top.
No, they closed it up.
Oh. Oh, it's a glitch on mine.
They don't even know.
Sees you. He's coming from behind. Maybe. No, he's not. He's just staring. Run. That one does not know what he's doing, by the way.
I love lag back so much.
Me too. That's why I'm playing 1.16.
That lag back just saved my life. Also, what?
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 You said that's why I play in 1.16 for the lag back. That doesn't make sense.
Dude, I like it because when I fall off the edge, I get a second chance.
That's not how it works. Anyway, where is this kid?
I'm around mid. Collecting ends. Okay, they're going back to our base.
Oh wow, that was a horrible fireball. Wait, they phased through iron bars?
What iron bars? They didn't phase through anything.
GG!
Nice.
And I got the level up. Easy.
I forgot you had the fan thing on.
Uh-huh. So guys, that's gonna end it off. I forgot to...
That it. You're literally gonna end it at that?
Well, I'm gonna do it every time I level up. So, yeah. But, hear me out. There's gonna be more... Yeah. So every time I level up, I'm gonna make one of these. I'm probably gonna do 1 or 2 games. Yeah, that's it. See you guys next time. Have a great and safe day. Peace out.